Намираме се в Микронезия, в един от супермаркетите. Micronesia, supermarket.
I told the kids down at Mount Carmel Charter Academy School that nowadays the old traditions and traditional practices are starting to fade into the sunset. But I said, if there's one thing that I'm very thankful for, I'm still keeping up with the tradition of fishing. They go, hey, Senor, where do you go fish? I said, right now I'm always down here in the school. Then when I get home, I'm kind of tired. But every so often, I got to go to this special place. And then I do my fishing there. And they're like, oh, wow, Senor, what kind of fish do you catch? I said, sometimes I catch the parrotfish. Sometimes I catch.
Ето как изглежда един супермаркет в Микронезия.
Sometimes